This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopart, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Rearrange existing routes. To interactively slide or drag segments across the board, click, hold, and drag as shown in this animation. The default dragging behavior is configured on the PCB editor interactive routing page of the preferences dialog as shown in this animation. The PCB editor will automatically maintain the 45 or 90-degree angle with connected segments, shortening and lengthening them as required.